In this video, as usual, everything you need to know how to replace the broken sliding door outside handle on Mitsubishi Delica. Every Mitsubishi Delica L400 space gear sooner or later will have broken sliding door outside handle. Well, my another Mitsubishi Delica has a partially broken handle. This is original handle. As you can see here, handle is broken on the bottom and a little bit of plastic holding a handle on the top. It's dysfunctional, you cannot use it, and it's a little bit annoying. You have to open the front passenger door, get rid of your hand, and use it inside handle to open the door. There we go. Well, let's get it fixed. As a replacement part, I have OEM good used handle. This is entire assembly. You still can buy sliding door outside handle online, not OEM. They're widely available. Not a big of a deal. I'm going to use this one. We'll take the parts we need, only this plastic part. If you're not a subscriber, take a second to subscribe. Very appreciated for doing that. We need a plastic pry bar, aka interior trim removal tool. We don't have to remove the trim completely, just a little bit to have enough room to pry the bottom part out later on. Just get our pry bar like that. Just pop the couple clips like so, and yeah, let it hang. Just because this upper plastic window trim overlaps the bottom part, and we have to just make it free. Yeah, beautiful. Same thing on another end. Phillips screwdriver. We have to remove the one Phillips screw holding the handle. Slide it out a little bit. Here's a little Phillips screw. Save that. Keep all parts organized in place. Make sure you won't lose anything. To pry the handle out, let's wiggle it. I'm going to use the pry bar to pry the handle out a little bit. Here we go. That's it. Handle is sitting on the splines on the shaft like that. Put it aside. We have another little tiny Phillips screw to remove. Same way. To take this door locking bracket. Here we go. Nice and easy. Next, we have to pry this bottom part of the panel out a little bit. Just have enough room for the upper panel to come out. As you can see, just enough. Same on the other side. There we go. Pry it out like that. There's a clips behind. There we go. On the bottom of the upper furry inside door panel, there's a holding plastic little pins. Pull them out. As you can see there too. Yeah. Here we go. No pops. It just has a plastic clips. All right. Take a panel out. Peel the plastic film off. Like that to get access to the bolts. I rolled it down, and here's our door lock. To prevent the door from sliding back all the time, I'm just going to use this stuff to rag in a track like that, and we'll keep it in place. Next, let's remove this retaining clip holding the lock cylinder inside the handle bracket. Yeah, same thing on a door. Let's push those retaining clip ears out like that. There we go. And then get a screwdriver handy and pull the clip. There we go. There's the clip. Now our door lock cylinder is loose. You is free, and she's sliding back and forth. Awesome. All right, we have 1, 2, 3 10mm bolts to remove. Make sure you won't drop them inside the door. The 1, carefully remove them out. 2 and 3. All right, and 3. Pull the old handle out, like so. Nice and easy, as you can see. No hassle, no problems. We have a perfect opportunity to lube out. Don't need lots, something like that. Yeah, lubricant is our best friend. As well, let's lubricate the lock mechanism inside. Always before installing replacement part, compare it to the original one. Sure they're the same. Could be some variations from year to year, and as you can see, everything's the same, identical, nice, awesome. This one's painted in our favorite color. This one's casual black, which is okay. I don't mind. Let's start putting everything back together. There we go. Awesome. Look at that. Slightly different than the rest of the handles, but it's better than broken one. Later on we can repaint if we want, but I don't think it's necessary. To keep your bolt from falling from the socket, just use the electrical tape, then set it bolt tight like that, and now we can go and start it, because if you lose the bolt inside the door, you have to go and fish it. I'm going to set my impact on auto, go snag the bolts. All right, remember we're screwing to the plastic. Don't go too crazy. Good. Let's do this guy. Push it in. Enough. And last one. Perfect. All right. Time for the retaining clip. Make sure you want drop it inside the door. What I'm going to do, just will go like that. Open it up. Start it from the top. Grab the bottom, top. Open it up. Set it like that. And I go. Turn it. It's a little tight. As soon as you have it on the top, just get it. See, it's already seated. Top is in. And hold it with one finger at the front. Make sure one's slipped off. And get it bottom in as well. Like so. Here we go. Beauty. Outside door handle is pulling the bottom arm and unlocking the latch mechanism. Fantastic. All right, let's check the operation first before putting the panels back. Nice. On Mitsubishi Delica, you don't need to slam a door hard. Everything fits nicely, closes easy like this. That's it. Thank you so much, guys, for your time watching this video. I appreciate that. If you have any comments, questions, critics, suggestions, put everything down in the comment section below. Yeah, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.